Hi guys! I'm coming to you now from my sunroom in my house, and I thought you guys would enjoy seeing our tower garden. We moved it home in a truck all in one piece, and it has been doing very well. We've already taken several clippings off of it. You might also notice down here are our salamanders. So this is one of my favorite rooms in the house to read or exercise or spend time thinking. So anyways, just wanted to share another part of my house. You'll even see Hadley back there entertaining us. So I'm going to talk to you a little bit about an activity I sent home with you that is absolutely optional. We have been every Monday starting our week with a kindness activity or something that makes us think about others. And it's been great because this year we've done a lot to think about ourselves and the people around us at school. And with us being home right now, it gives opportunity to do some of these activities that involve your family. So what I sent home is a page about family meetings. This is something my family has not done in the past, but I have found that now that our circumstances have changed and we're working from home and home all day together, we have had to have a couple more conversations about how to share responsibilities or respect one another when people are trying to work. So if your family was looking for a way to maybe have a structured conversation or find a purposeful time in your week to sit down as a family and talk about some of the things that you could be doing together to make things run a little bit smoother, this might be of help to you. Just know that this is a difficult time for everybody. Everybody's experienced change, and change often brings stress as well. So if there's any stress or feelings of anxiety in your home, that is absolutely completely normal and being felt by everyone, all of us. So as always, second graders, know that I am here for you. We've always talked about who you can go to talk to for help. Right now you're with your family a lot. They would be great people to talk to if there is something that's bothering you. There's a lot of new things going on right now, and if you haven't had some of your questions answered, you might have some of those. Know that I am always here for you too, and I have given my number to your parents, and you are welcome to reach out to me or write me a letter and let me know what is going on, or if you have any questions or anything you want to talk about. So, as always, I am always here for you. All right, signing off, and you might want to say goodbye to Corbin Hadley, and there's little Brooks peeking back there too.